In this video, I will show you how to change color of notes on Instagram. It's very simple. You can see here some of my friend already changed their notes background color. You can see. So for changing notes background color, you have to go simply open your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you have to come here in your profile. After that, you have to write something on your note. You have to make sure your note feature available. That's for that reason you have to simply upgrade your Instagram app first, then you have to come here and then you have to write here something on your note. You can see I have collect some word for changing my note background. You can see here mindful, kiss emoji and etc. If you use those words in your note color will be changed. You can see here I simply copy one of them and paste here, and then you can see here my note background will be changed. You can see here my note background have been pink, and if I use another, you can see Demure. If I copy it and paste it, I don't know what the meaning of Demure, but if I paste it here, you can see I can use some word also, anything. You can use anything. You have to mainly use the word which I show you earlier. You can see here if I use it, you can see here the note background have been changed. If I use the kiss emoji, you can see here. If I use the kiss emoji, you can see here, then the note background also will be changed. You can use anything with the emoji, and you can see here the note background change and your emoji will be up here. You can see here, and if you use here the confetti emoji, you can see here the emoji. If you use that, you will can see something different. You can see if I use that emoji, you can see that kind of effect will see in your page. So that's how you can change your image background. So that's today's video. Thank you so much.